In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Adobe Photoshop not responding on Windows 10. First off, let's get right into it by opening up the Task Manager, which is an essential tool in managing your system processes. For this, you'll want to press Ctrl, Shift, and S key on your keyboard simultaneously. Now, the Task Manager should pop up on your screen, revealing a list of active applications and background processes. Take a look through the list and locate Adobe Photoshop. Once you've found it, you'll need to select it and then click on End Task. This action will close any running instance of Photoshop that might be causing the problem. With Photoshop shut down, let's attempt to restart it. Simply open the application as you usually would. Often, a fresh start can resolve minor glitches and restore Photoshop to normal working conditions. But if restarting doesn't do the trick, the next thing you should do is ensure your software is up to date. This brings us to the Adobe Creative Cloud. Open the Creative Cloud application on your computer. This is where you can manage all your Adobe programs, including checking for and installing updates. Navigate to the Apps section, and there you should see if Photoshop has any pending updates. If there is an update available, proceed to download and install it. Keeping Photoshop updated not only brings new features, but also fixes bugs that might be causing it to freeze or not respond. Let's move on to the next step. Sometimes, running programs as an administrator gives them the elevated permissions needed to function correctly, especially when they need to access certain system resources. To do this, close Photoshop if it's open and then locate its shortcut icon. Right-click on the Photoshop icon and from the context menu, choose Run as Administrator. Doing this can effectively bypass permission-related issues that might otherwise prevent Photoshop from responding properly. By following these steps, you should have a better chance of resolving any issues with Photoshop not responding on your Windows 10 machine. Remember, troubleshooting might require you to try a combination of these solutions, especially if the problem stems from more than one source. Keeping your software up to date and occasionally clearing temporary files can also prevent future issues. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and I hope it helps you get back to creating smoothly in Photoshop. If you have any further questions or need more assistance, feel free to reach out or leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you next time.